Hi, I'm Crystal Kamenides with Laptop Magazine, and I'm here to tell you about the Joovv Mini. This is an at-home LED treatment device that gives you red infrared light, near infrared light, and a combo mode that is recovery that helps with post-workout treatment. I love the red mode because it treats my adult acne. I can turn it on in the morning for 5-10 minutes, get the grog off, ready for my cup of coffee. I also love the near infrared mode for if I'm middle of the day and I'm like, little crick in my back, my knee is bothering me, I'll jump in front of the near infrared mode for 10-15 minutes. And then you have the post-recovery workout, which is Recovery Plus. And you know, I do that when I get off the treadmill because we're all getting older. And I stand in front of it for 10-15 minutes, I feel as good as new. So this is a great compact modular unit that you can use solo on the stand, or you can buy several to hang on the back of your door, have a freestanding unit if you're taller than 5'5", and it will treat everything. So I love it, and you can go to www.laptopmag to check out my review. And this is Crystal Kamenides.